From your perspective as a leader at Laundry, at Alliance Laundry Systems, what do you see as some of the top challenges facing the industry these days?
Oh, that's a good question. There's a couple things. Obviously, as you know, the price of products continue to go up, even ours, with the cost of steel and everything that goes into these products. Technology, hopefully, we'll get some benefits there. But I think it's the same thing. It's return on investment for our store owners. I mean, that's what they're really in business for. And how do we help them become more profitable? That's a challenge, I think, for all of us just because of the cost of utility rising. You see some gas issues that are being talked about in New York City and California. Those are challenges. I think, the idea of maybe getting rid of all gas dryers, I find it a little bit out there personally, but this is something we're facing as an industry that we got to stay close to and think about and react, as we look at those type of challenges, as we go forward, to me. And also for the store owners, to me, it's pricing. How can they, raise prices, things like that, because those are difficult in some marketplaces and difficult for store owners to be able to raise prices in some cases, even though their utility costs are going up, things like that, or maybe their rent, they don't own that location, they lease those locations and things like that. Those are the challenges I see
Yeah.
that are going to be tough for all of us still.